today I'm going to share with you my most favorite garden tool to use for maintenance in our raised bed. So let's get started. So in the garden you can see there's a lot popping up here. These are actually in here, they're not weeds. I mean, there may be a few mixed in, but we have a lot of volunteers from last year. This was that really large cut flower celosia, and it was in reds, burgundies, and yellows. It was really pretty, but it reseeds like crazy. Now, I never mind adding volunteers into the garden and allowing them to just flourish, but there's a time and place for them, and if these grow up, they get about 36 inches. They're gonna outgrow our sage and our snaps and all the fun stuff that we have in here. So I'm going to share with you my favorite tool to kind of get rid of weeds and any volunteers you don't want in your garden. Super fast, super simple. So it's this little weeder by Bridgetown Garden Tools. So I was sent this like a couple years ago and I actually forgot about it and I never used it. This is not a promotional video. I'm not being paid to make this. This is something that I just like found in my little like garden tool compartment thing I got. And I'm like, wait, you know what? I never even tried that. So I started using it and I was just like, oh my gosh, like my life has changed for weeding in the raised bed. So let's show you how it works. It's super simple. You place it in and that's it, you guys. That's it. It's not even like this hard pressure, all this work, you know, you're not going to be out of breath from this. So if you're looking for a garden workout, this is definitely not going to give it to you. So you're going to have to, you know, find no time to put in your own little workouts. So this has made it super easy. And you know what would be really cool is if they made one of these with a larger, taller handle, so I didn't have to bend over at all either. So that would be pretty awesome. But that's why I always like our 2-foot high raised beds. Because you do less bending. These are 1-foot raised beds. These are also about 4 feet wide. Our 2-foot high raised beds are 3 feet wide, which I really like because there's no reaching really. It's more just like you can do stuff from one side and then do stuff on the other side very easily. So everything is, you know, more ergonomic that way. So if you're somebody who has a lot of back problems or troubles doing some of the garden work, doing a higher raised bed is going to be a lot more efficient for you. So these are usually around under $20. We don't have an affiliate link for this. If we reach out to them and we eventually get one, we will put it in the description, but as of right now we don't. We're just literally telling you guys about this to just make your life easier in the garden. And I know it's making my life easier right now. I'm loving it, so I got to get back to work, so I'll see you guys later.